Ke National Book Trust India kabadi ke apex body hepo ke Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Higher Education jong Sarkar India menta kasingin kong kalap lipat ba ay ke Shillong Book Fair kaban ne shite volunteer hadu ka khanru tri ujeleu ha State Central Library. Ya kani ke Shillong Book Fair lawan ban lipat ba dulat ke jela uvi shan mugantan haringkat ke jingron lang ke dukot jong National Book Trust u Dr. Sylvanus Lamari ki khna school bat kiwe. Ha kani ke Book Fair Kidon hadu prapo tili stall, bat ki stall ki degi balawan bani shimbenta na kelengkari India.